Hello friends, I Shri Vardhan welcome you to our new video. As you have already read this subject, this video will be focused on the success of love relationship and a decision that you can make about doing a love marriage or arranged marriage. So you can also, now our website is also online, that is missiontathastu.com. So you can go and visit on that website. There is very, very good information is given on that website, and you can, also consult us, and that is me and Deepak ji, who is astrologer, simultaneously through the concept of online appointment, and we will be giving you consultation on your problems and other queries. We will be handling all your queries regarding astrology as well as palmistry. So let's get started with this video. And in this video, the first concept which I would like to discuss with you is the concept of marriage. Now, in the palm, if you will see, there is a marriage line. Okay, the length of the marriage line defines whether you go for a love marriage or an arranged marriage. Now, how to calculate the length of the marriage line, that is the main thing. Okay, when you will put your palm like this, the face of your palm, when you'll see in the mirror, if you are able to see your marriage line, then it is having a good length. But if it is not, then you have to go for the arranged marriage. Or in certain countries, there is no concept of arranged marriage, then we generally tell them to take a consultation or take a kind of advice from their friends or somebody whom they can trust about their relationship, or before getting into a kind of marriage situation. So just have a discuss or advice of any of your best friend or any of your known who can guide you with the relationship. Now in this marriage line, if I'll say, it is visible but it is not that visible, but in certain scenarios the marriage line is like this. So the length of the marriage line defines your success in the love relationship. So a marriage line, this is a kind of good marriage line, but if it is little bit less also, then also like the somewhere here, so it will also be a good, equally good. So you can always go for a love relationship and then a love marriage sort of scenario. Now we come to the second thing, that is related to your love relationship and a person's success. That defines person's success in the love relationship is heart line. Basically, this is our heart line. Okay, when you must have heard this thing, that if you join both the palms and there is a structure or there is a definition of line, sort of half moon like this. If you do like this, there is a kind of half moon structure in your palm. So it is said that you will get a person of your choice and you will definitely do a love marriage. So in this scenario, what is the logic behind it? The logic is heart line. The curve in the heart line, see, the curve in the heart line defines its strength. Although this sort of heart line will give you certain type of anxiety issues, but the person who is having this type of heart line are very much serious about their relationships, and they are very much loyal about their partner, and they will definitely do their best to achieve, or get success in the love relationship to the extent of marriage. So one point that we have to note here, that this heart line should not be containing any sort of crosses or islands, okay, or any sort of disturbances. So this should be a kind of clear heart line with a curve. If you are having in both hands, then it is nothing like it. It is the best scenario one can ever seek for. Okay, now the third and the important thing that I wish to discuss with you, this is a fate line. It starts from here and it goes to the Saturn mount. And if there is a branch, or you can say another line, which is joining this fate line from the moon mount, this is the moon mount, and if some line is joining here with your fate line, this is also a chance of love marriage or getting into a serious love relationship. Opposite to this is similarly, there is a certain line which is going from Venus mount and joining your main fate line somewhere. So it is also said to be a very good indication for love marriage and a serious love relationship sort of scenario. Now, what is the logic behind this? See, the logic is basically Moon and Venus are female oriented planet, and both in astrology also, if we say Venus and Moon, they create a Mohak Yoga. So in palmistry also, we judge this type of scenario according to Moon and Venus properties, which are likely to give persons success in their relationship and further marriage. Another thing, the fourth indication is the Venus girdle. So it is, if there is a kind of ring over here, so it is also likely to get you into a serious relationship. The person who are having this sort of ring are very much high on emotions, and they are people who like to love and to be loved, and they are into a relationship, they remain into a relationship for long, they are loyal, and they are the thinkers. So basically this is also a kind of indication for success in love relationship and love marriage. So we have discussed 4 important things. First of all, length of marriage line. Secondly, the curve of heart line. Thirdly, the fate line and the branches coming onto the fate line from moon mount as well as Venus mount. And the fourth is ring over here on the top part of your palm. So it is, these 4 indications are if present in your palm, then you are likely to get into love relationship, a serious love relationship, which will gradually progress to a love marriage scenario, and there will be a success in your marriage also. So we will end our video over here. You can just like our video if you wish and share it maximum, and do visit our website, and we will be coming back with more videos and more information on this subject. Thank you.